Hello and welcome. This week in Horizon we've got a grandma car, which is the Toyota Camry. So let's check it out together. Well, it's not actually a grandma car, it's the third version or TRD version, so it's the sport version. The Toyota Racing Division. It's a Toyota Racing thing. Okay, from the get-go it looks mean actually, with the fake probably fake vents on the back, a blacked out badge, and a actually cool spoiler, and red accent that makes it look like a Nismo car, if that makes sense. Okay, sound wise, it sounds like a four cylinder, nothing. Sorry, it's a V6, but it sounds like a four cylinder to be honest. Yeah, it sounds like a four cylinder. But is it a V6 or an inline 6? I don't know much about this kind of car. I already like the normal Camry and appreciate its presence because it's a pretty decent car. It's pretty decent everyday car. We all agree about this. But this, is it worth the hype? Is it worth the TRD badge? Let's check it out in a race. I would like actually to own one of these, but would I pick this over the M330i? Probably not. I don't know if it's even in the same price range, but I'm just guessing. That's low. The launch is pretty slow. Well, it's the front wheel drive car, so that's pretty normal, I guess. Why am I against Jaguar F-Type? I think this is a bit unfair. There's the Nissan Altima Nismo. Okay, this is fair. Felt pretty heavy on that corner. Okay, if you lift off the accelerator, it turns. So it's just oversteering. It isn't that heavy. Okay, look, I tried my best, but I don't know if it's the car's fault or my fault, but yeah. In combination with my fault and the car's fault, we got 6th. I don't think tuning will help because it's the front wheel drive car, but we'll see. Look, I know my webcam is blocking the tuning, the upgrade menu, but I cannot do anything about it at the moment. Hopefully next video, hopefully. I know this is it. Hopefully next video I'll fix it. Sorry for that. So we've got this Battle Arrow body kit. Let's check it out together. It is wide. So since we've got a wide body, let's turbocharge it because it's cool, I guess. Okay, we've got spoilers. We've got a lip, which makes it look like a muscle car, a NASCAR, something like that. The Forza ugly arrow and no spoiler at all. I think I'm gonna keep this standard one. That's nice. Let's lower it. Brakes, of course, because we're aiming for race car. Weight reduction. This is our time attack machine. So now it has 788 horsepower. I painted it red to make it faster. Okay, tons of wheelspin of the line. A lot of oversteering the corners. Other than that, it's keeping up pretty well. This car needs 4-wheel drive to manage all this power. Oh. It's too powerful for its front-wheel drive system. I cannot turn peacefully. I cannot turn without proper control. Okay, that was a bit disappointing. There we go. All-wheel drive. Let's test all-wheel drive to see if that works. I did also some tunes on the gears, the stiffness of the springs and everything. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go full lock. It's definitely fast. Definitely fast. It cannot turn that well. Well, I did not give it the front or the rear arrow, so that's on me. Hey, look at the enemies. Was this close to first, so we'll call that a success. There you go, this was our review with the third Camry, and what I think about it, it looks nice, drives okay. Stock it drives pretty bad. It has some oversteer, it feels a little heavy. Other than that, it's so cool. It got the wide body, it looks nice. It got some nice stock visual parts, it looks nice. It's a very good car. I'll be daily driving this with the G80 M3. And peace.